that BKS file is an automatic backup copy of a Microsoft Works spreadsheet, a safety net created by Works to protect against data loss. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, recover, or convert these legacy spreadsheet backups. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange BKS formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. BKS files are automatic backup copies of Microsoft Works spreadsheet files created by the Works application during save operations. They contain a previous version of the spreadsheet data formulas and formatting preserved as a safety copy in case the current file becomes corrupted. Microsoft Works BKS files use the same proprietary format as WKS Works spreadsheet files, containing cell data formula definitions, formatting attributes, and sheet structure. They are renamed copies of the previous spreadsheet version created automatically during each save operation. The fundamental reading standard for BKS is set by Microsoft Works from Microsoft Corporation. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows cannot interpret compressed or encrypted backup blocks, so recovery software is necessary. Your key starting action, right-click the BKS file and select Open With. If Microsoft Works is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BKS file opens successfully. If you cannot access the BKS file, no problem. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your BKS file is generating this error. First, opening the file. Rename the BKS file extension to WKS and open it with Microsoft Works or LibreOffice Calc, which includes a Works spreadsheet import filter. LibreOffice will convert the Works format and display the spreadsheet with cell data formulas and basic formatting preserved. Next, recovering data. If your primary Works spreadsheet is corrupted, locate the BKS backup in the same directory. Rename it to WKS and open it to recover the previous version of your data. This backup represents the spreadsheet state before the most recent save operation. Finally, converting to modern formats. After opening the BKS file in LibreOffice, Calc Use File, then Save As, to convert to XLSX or CSV format for use in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review formulas after conversion, as some work-specific functions may require manual adjustment in modern spreadsheet applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.